Yesterday we actually did an unboxing and install of the Graco SlimFit 3-in-1 car seat, and showed you how we could adjust the straps and all that stuff. But one thing I forgot to mention is that this strap here, this one here, is way too far in for the baby. So we're going to have to move that from here to here. And it's not hard to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me just get set up for it. What I do is you've got to get to the bottom of the car seat. And underneath here is, I don't know if you can see it, a little metal bar right here. Whoops. A little metal bar right here. And we take that metal bar and we push it up. Kind of got to work this a little bit. We push it up through the hole it came from, like this. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm pushing that up through there, and I'm pulling on the buckle at the same time. I can feel it up at the other side, but I just kind of have to push and work it through. There we go, and that pops out. All right? So now that we've done that, all we need to do is insert this down through this hole that we want it to be in. I'll show you. This is where I want it to be. That'll give it plenty of room. So just the same way, we're going to push it down through there like this, just like we push it up the other way. Okay, pushed it down. It's already down there. All right, you ready to see it? It's already locked in place. That's exactly how you move it. Just want to make sure you can see. It's already locked in place up at the top hole here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's where it is. And that's how you move it, all right? It's very simple. Now that'll make sure that she's got plenty of room in there without hurting her. So let's put this back in the car. This is a quick refresher on how to do that. There's a tether on this side, if you remember. There's a tether on this side that's going to connect to the seat. You heard that snap in, right? The seat's already in place. Now on this side, it's the same thing. We have one of those little latches down here. I'm going to pull this to make it longer for me. There's a latch right down in here, right here, and that just snaps in the latch. You'll hear it click. That clicked in, right? And all you do at that point is just give this a tug and secure it in place. And that's it. She's all set for her new car seat today. Thanks for watching.